What is manifestation? A very simple 4-step process to manifest anything that you want in your life today. Welcome back to another video. I'm Maximilian. I help entrepreneurs reprogram their mind, empower their lives for confidence, happiness, fulfillment, success, abundance, you name it, I do it. Manifestation is a very simple process when you understand it. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably heard of something called the law of attraction, and you've most likely heard of the book The Secret. That's what got me into the law of attraction, but I was very misled when I first read the book The Secret. I genuinely thought if I think of £1 million, I'm going to be a millionaire. Life's good. Life's good. And this was the first book I actually fully read all the way through when I left school, bearing in mind I could barely read. So here is a 4-step process of how you can understand manifestation and make it easy for you. Step number 1, know your outcome. What is it that you want to achieve? Do you want a new car? Do you want a new job? Do you want a new partner? Do you want to achieve a specific goal in work? Do you want to start a YouTube channel? What is it that you want to do? Be specific. If you say, I want more money, all you're truly saying is any type of money. 1 penny is more money. Yes or no? It is more money. Regardless, it's not abundance. Well, it is abundance, but it's not a huge amount of abundance, but it is still more money. Saying, I want to be in a relationship. You're not being specific. A relationship, that could be something that's not a great relationship. You want to be saying, I want to be with the perfect person. I want to be with someone who truly appreciates me so we can grow together, we can be happy together. When you know your outcome and it's specific, then you are like the GPS. You're putting the destination into the GPS, which is manifestation. This is your destination. Now, this is the road that it's going to take you down. There may be reroutes. There may be roadworks. You may have to turn around, drive back. You may have to pull over and get a coffee at the petrol station. You may have to fill up with petrol at time to time to get some more motivation. But know your outcome is the biggest and most needed step in the process of manifestation. Step number 2, in order to manifest anything that you want into your life, feel the feeling of what it would be like if it was already manifested. Think future tense. Think in terms of it's already happened, not it's going to happen, not I want it to happen. Because when you think I want it to happen, you're coming from a state of lack. You're saying I want this because I don't have. The universe will understand I don't have. Let me say that again. The universe understands I want, meaning I don't have. When I understood this, I was like, so I've got to live in a state of being. Feel it before you be it. You've got to feel it. You've got to feel it, then you can be it. So how can you feel those feelings? This is where I use self-hypnosis, which if you want some information on self-hypnosis, send me a message on Instagram, comment in this video, get in touch with me and I can teach you self-hypnosis. Really, really deep transcendental meditation. This is really powerful to do so. Now, when you can get into these states of mind, you can get into the understanding of the mind doesn't, basically what I'm trying to say is the mind doesn't differentiate between reality and the dream world. It can't differentiate between it. When you have a dream, it feels so real at that present moment. When you get into deep hypnosis or deep meditation, you can feel the feelings of something that you want to feel. You want to feel love? You can get there in deep hypnosis or deep meditation. You want to feel abundant? You can get there in deep meditation or deep hypnosis. So what's stopping you from doing deep hypnosis or deep meditation? One message to me, that's all that's stopping you, honestly. When you understand that and you do that daily, because it's not like I'll try it for 30 days and then I'll see what happens. If it doesn't happen, then I'll just go back to my old life. You can do that. But the law of attraction doesn't work for 30 days. The law of attraction is an ongoing thing. Start small though, remember that, I'll explain this a little bit at the end. But when you feel it, every single day, your mind thinks, it literally reprograms your mind to say, I've already got this. I've already got that promotion at work. I'm already with the love of my life. And then you start doing those little things. For example, you sleep on one side of the bed rather than sleeping in the middle of the bed. When you lay the table, you lay 2 plates at the table rather than 1. The little manifestation hacks that really program that subconscious mind in order to get you to where you want to be, to really feel what it's like for it to already have manifested in your life. Step number 3, live in a state of complete excitement. Now how can you do this, you may be asking? Do you remember when you were a child? You may even be a child right now watching this video. Do you remember when you were a child and it was Christmas time? What time were you up? Some may be saying 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the morning. I know personally for me it was 5 o'clock in the morning. Try and get me up at 5 o'clock in the morning for when I want to go to school, not going to happen. Try and get me up at 7 o'clock in the morning, that was still a task. I was so excited for Christmas. I was so excited to go on holiday. I was so excited to go on school trips. Why? Because it was unknown. It was something new. Anything could happen. And this is the way that I perceived it. Christmas, something magical is going to happen. Holidays, something amazing is going to happen. School trips, something unheard of is going to happen. When you live in a state of that every day, watch these miracles start to fall into your life. Manifestations will just pour into your life, and before you know it, you'll be sitting there with everything that you've ever desired in life. Just understand that in the 3D world, or the 4D world, we use time. The 3D world, we live in a three-dimensional reality. But we use time here. 4D, 3D, whatever it is. We need time. That's why we have that buffer. That's why every conscious thought won't manifest. Because if I thought, like, the amount of times I thought, oh my god, I might die. I haven't. Or, oh my god, I might win the lottery. And I haven't. Because I haven't truly programmed my mind to believe that. That's just a conscious thought. So what it is about reprogramming your mind for that exact thought that you want to manifest into your life. And the fourth and final step to manifestation, the fourth and final step, detach from the outcome completely. You don't need this manifestation to be happy. And if you think this manifestation is going to make you happy, you're wrong. And I'm outright saying that you're wrong if you think that. Because anything external in life will not make you happy. The only things that you truly can manifest, so I may be retracting on a little bit what I said, the only true things that I think you can manifest that will make you happy is inner contentment, confidence, giving yourself that ability to do that. Work on yourself, but detach from that making you happy and be happy today. Now you're probably asking, how do I just be happy? It's a lot easier said than done, and I completely understand that, so don't get me wrong. But what is it that you could do, or what is the happiest day that you've ever lived? Know it, write it down, explain your happiest day. Do as many of those things on that list that you can every single day, and watch how much happier you become. You don't need these external manifestations. You don't need a car, you don't need a new job, you don't need a new camera, you don't need a new phone, you don't need a new laptop, you don't need a new relationship to be happy. This is where happiness comes from. Your heart. It comes from your heart. Don't let everything externally cloud your judgment, say that's what's going to make you happy, because it won't. So that's manifestation in a process. 4-step process. Very simple process. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've gained something from this video. I want to see you manifest some things. When you manifested things, that's what I was going to say. Start small. Don't start with a massive car. Don't start with a Lamborghini. Don't start with a holiday to the Maldives that's 50 grand. Start small. Start with coffees. Start with parking spaces. That's the biggest one I started with. Start with something easy. Start with something simple. And watch these little things manifest to build your belief. When you build your belief, you can then up it to the next level. Then you can up it to the next level. Then you can up it to the next level. Just like a video game. You don't start on level 100. You start on level 1. Then you get better and better and better and better and better and better. Until eventually, look, you're off the screen. But I hope this video has helped you. I hope you gained something from this video. Start manifesting things. Comment down below what you're going to manifest. And tell me when you've manifested them. And if you have any questions, send me a message on Instagram. Keep spreading love, keep spreading kindness, and keep spreading so much positivity.